Hey, what's up? What's up? How you doing? I'm good. No, really. How are you doing? Actually, I'm not doing well. But I usually say I'm doing good because people are just being polite. They don't want to really hear that I'm struggling. My bills are overdue. My bank account is overdrawn. Life is life, and being an adult is actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. I'm tired. I need a break. I'm barely holding on. So I scroll through social media for hours, looking for a laugh to keep from crying. You feel me?